Okay, we're on to our third water quality test, nitrates. And this is an essential nutrient source of nitrogen. And for plants, high nitrate levels can cause algal blooms, which decrease the dissolved oxygen and increase turbidity. Yeah, so we get runoff from farms or cattle or dairy farms. So those all contribute to nitrates. Soaps and detergents, those are nitrate sources. So we've got it covered a little bit. We're going to put some water in here, some river water, 5 mLs, which I'm going to have to get off there. Whoops. Back in here. And we have two chemicals, a number 1 and a number 2. And this one is number 2. So we'll put the number 1 in first. It's just like a little pill form. We're going to drop it in. But remember, that's why we're wearing gloves and goggles or glasses. So I'm just dropping it right in. Put the cap back on. Keep the sunlight off it. This can take a couple minutes sometimes to dissolve. All right, now we have the second chemical to add, which is also in pill form. I'm going to drop that in there. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to let it dissolve, take a minute or two, and then we have to let it sit for 5 minutes before we put it into the nitrate colorimeter. Okay, so our sample is ready. It's sit for a little while. We're going to go over to the window so we get some light behind it. So we're going to try and match up the color, and that will tell us what our nitrate level is. So let's go over here. And hold it up to the light. And we can see, let's see, if it was higher nitrate, it would be more pinkish. It's definitely not pink. It's not clear either like that. So that's 0. And I'm going to say that's what we're going to go with. Yep, we're just going to do 0. And that makes sense since the river is flowing very swiftly, and it would carry all that fertilizer or whatever out to the delta, out to the south.